Today I'm going to show you how to easily change the region on your MacBook or Mac. Now, this might seem simple to some of you, but if you're new to Mac OS, it can be a bit tricky at first. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open the System Preferences. You can do this by using Spotlight Search, but if you prefer, you can also find it directly in the dock at the bottom of your screen. Just look for the gear icon and click on System Preferences. Once you've opened System Preferences, find and click on Language and Region. This is where we'll be making the changes. Now, you'll see a section labeled Region. Click on the drop-down menu and select the region you want to switch to. You can change it to any country, and this will automatically adjust things like date, time, and even currency formats according to that region. So, some of you might be wondering why I'm making a video on what seems like a pretty easy task. Well, when you're just starting out with a Mac, small things like this can feel confusing, especially if you're coming from Windows or using a Mac for the first time. I hope this quick tutorial helped. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or other topics you want me to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.